AITA roommate is mad at me for making sound in the night. AITA I work evening shift and go home at 12 a.m. I have a mechanical keyboard and I game and talk to friends quietly during the night. My roommate lives in a separate room in front of mine. She is a very light sleeper and she says that I make too much noise in the night. She basically doesn't want me to use my keyboard even though I bought rings for it. It's an accessory to decrease its sound, and I put a blanket on the wall facing her room. She also doesn't want me to talk at all during the night. I ended up telling her that it's reasonable to want me to be quiet at night, but I'm not gonna be silent. We are both paying rent and we both have rights. She said I'm not being quiet. I told her that at this point, it's not my problem, man. She got very upset. I don't know what she is planning to do now.